So this is some of the things we do at Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. We do workload management and orchestration. We have a user services software. We do AI, R&D, which I work in, and projects and collaboration. Again, I do stuff with projects and collaborate with external folks. So some of the container technologies we support and actually run on HPE systems. So Singularity, Aptainer, Podman, Charlie Cloud, and Saros. If there's any I've missed, I apologize if you're a developer of that software. So machine learning, we do a lot of stuff with machine learning, and it can be run, some of the stuff can be run only in Kubernetes, which would be the machine learning data management, and the machine learning interface, inference software, the software which can run in both Kubernetes and the sort of generic HPC schedulers such as Slurm and PBS Pro, or the machine learning development environments. And if you're interested in that, there's lots of information on the website, and I want to keep this short, so I'm not going to really talk about it. Lumi, I'm going to jump this slide. You can take photos if you want, but Abdul Rahman gave a talk on Lumi, so I don't want to repeat the stuff he mentioned. So this is the team I work for. We're the EMEA Research Lab, and we do things like development of software inside containers. So we're actually not necessarily developing stuff would actually be deployed as containers, but using containers to help speed up development. So for example, setting up frameworks and fake interfaces and stuff like that. Also, we do testing of some software in containers. I've been doing some work with both development and testing of a external project software called from HPC project, and it's a BMBF project, so I'll shout out to them. The final product will not be in a container, but I'm doing the testing and development of the software inside a container. We do basically projects and collaborations with both internal people, which I basically can't talk about anyway, and then we do external work, so HPC. We also have things like OpenCube and other projects as well. So we do a lot of work with external folks, generally within some sort of either an EU project or a European project, or even partner organizations such as Lumi. So for example, Alfio does a lot of work, who's also in this group, does a lot of work with Lumi on their containers. We do have containerized versions of the Cray programming environment, but you need a license for it. So I really don't want to mention, if you don't have a license, you really can't use it, but the people are using that. We will make some sort of modifications and changes based on collaborations and contractual agreements. So something like, you want to have something containerized, and we have a project which pays us to do it via either, a national or international, or just a contract with a large data center. We will do that as well. And I'll give you a few minutes back.